Sorry, we're continuing the previous video only. There was a technical glitch, so we're continuing. So we're in this services provided by government. Provider is government, recipient is public, and the following services are exempt. कितने हैं सर, एक बार चेक कर लो. There are around 16 services we have. The following 16 services बोल के लिख दो. The following 16 services are exempt. ठीक है, let us start. I need not explain, please, these are self-explanatory. Services provided by government or another government, Telangana to Goa, Maharashtra to Telangana, those provided by one government or another state government are exempt. Number 2, I already covered this. Passport, ration card, driving license, Aadhaar card, voter ID, marriage certificate, death certificate, birth certificate. These services government, this service government provide to public, for which they'll charge money, nominal money, sir. वो सर्विसेज पे जीएसटी नहीं लगता. बोलते वॉट एवर इज द 300 रुपीज प्लस जीरो. दैट कैन बी रेशन कार्ड इशू, वोटर आईडी इशू, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, डेथ सर्टिफिकेट, मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट, जो भी है. नंबर 3, सर्विसेज प्रोवाइडेड बाय गवर्नमेंट for tolerating non-performance of the contract for which fines are payable. Telangana government gave a contract of construction of flyover to one company and they told it should be completed in 3 years. They did not complete in 3 years. Government says you violated the contract, pay damages of 10 crores. The company paid the damages to Telangana government. On that also no sir, no GST. That is called tolerating non-performance of contract. You were told to do in 3 years, should not do. That is called non-performance, for which fines are payable. Number 4, service provided by government entity to another government. First one was government to another government. This is one government company to another government. NTPC to SAIL, NTPC to NMDC, LIC to NTPC. Those services are also exempt. Number 5, any other service apart from above, apart from these 4, provided to a business entity whose turnover does not exceed 20 lakhs or 10 lakhs. Whose turnover does not exceed 20 lakhs or 10 lakhs. Please go through these 5 ones quick. And there are amendments also to GST that also will be covered in this current video. Amendments happened in GST for exemption chapter. I'll be covering that. ये 5 एक बार पढ़ लो चलो. These are those services which are provided by government to public. I repeat, by government to public. Chalo, start reading. Sure. ठीक है यहाँ तक. So these 5 are done, sir. Let's continue. 6th, municipality or panchayat services are also exempt in the villages and all. Okay, next, services provided by Food Safety Standard Authority of India, FSSAI. That is a authority we have which will give food license and they'll check whether the food prepared by the hotels, restaurants, your centers, क्या बोलते हैं, tiffin centers are up to the mark or not. That's what they check. Those services provided by them are also exempt. Next, services by providing information under RTI Act. ICA has come recently under RTI Act. बोले तो if you want the answer sheets of your question papers, you can either directly apply to ICAI or you can apply through RTI Act, Right to Information Act. This also service exempt. Number 9, services provided by old age homes. बोले तो government has certain places, old age homes, where old people stay. Either they do not have anyone in their life, or either due to some other reason they're staying there. Those services provided by government to those elderly people, and that also no GST. That is called old age homes. 10, services provided by government charitable trust with consideration per member up to 25,000 exempt. Underline per member, more than 25,000 taxable. ये लिमिट याद रखना, अप टू 25, more than 25. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Read 1 to 10 once again now. Chalo, my job is to cover 5 blocks. Read 1 to 10 once again. Chalo. We are covering those services which are provided by government to public are exempt. We already covered those services which are provided to government are exempt. Now we are covering services provided by government are exempt. Okay, chalo. 11th, merchant overtime charges for inspection of import containers by custom officers. ये CA final में cover रहेगा आपको. He will not give an exam because this is related to Customs Act. So छोड़ देना इसको. Number 12, any registration services provided by government under any law. I want to have PAN registration, GST registration. उस पे GST नहीं लगता. GST registration is free of course, but to apply for PAN you have to pay 120 rupees. On that there is no GST. It also includes testing, safety checks, safety of workers, consumer, public at large. Unlike any registration, example, PAN, excise duty, before जो था on alcohol, even you have right now. Whenever you apply for these certifications or import export license you want, on those registration there is no GST. You have to only pay the registration charges to government without GST. That is 12. 13, services provided by government by allotment of natural resources to farmers. Farmers need the help of the government to produce the goods. The support given by government to farmer, वो services पे भी GST नहीं लगता. मैं वापस बोलूँ, do not by heart this. You have to just go through, read 2 times. It will be stored in your memory card. Because he will not ask you to give the list of services. वो सर नहीं पूछता. He will give 2 bits, 3 bits, and he will just ask those services are exempt है, taxable. You have to remember the list and answer is exempt है या taxable है. Nothing else. Next, services provided by government entities to government local authorities in the form of grant against consideration. That's fine. Services provided by state government to excess royalty collection contractors. ये दो भी फाइनल में कवर रहेंगे आपको ऑन अ सेपरेट टॉपिक. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, स्पेक्ट्रम फीस. स्पेक्ट्रम फीस कौन पे करता? जियो, एयरटेल, Vodafone. To get the license of telecommunication service you have to pay a fees called spectrum fees. On that service is also provided by government to the companies. On that GST will not apply. On that GST will not apply. So sir, I am giving you exactly 4 minutes. एक बार 16 पढ़ लो बस है मेरे को, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं पूछता एग्जाम में. स्टार्ट. डोंट बाय हार्ट. स्टार्ट रीडिंग क्विक. Please start reading. Please start reading. Last 2 minutes. ठीक है, चल. These services, whatever we covered, are exempt. Now come to the first tree. These services are taxable. These services are taxable. First tree में. These services are taxable. How many we have? 4. First one, transportation of goods or passengers. Services by Department of Post. Whenever I go to a post office, I want to give one letter to be sent to someone, not by courier, by Department of Post, Indian Post Office. He will charge some money, some stamp. On that he will also add GST. It can be through speed post, express parcel, life insurance agency. It has been clarified that these are exempt, but the first one is taxable. This cloud one are taxable, but उसके नीचे वाला जो है ये वाला, ये exempt है, ये taxable. Please read. Inland letters, pension payments, money order payments, वो service exempt है, but speed post, express parcel, life insurance agency services वो सब taxable है. Service in relation to aircraft or vessel inside or outside the port. Port बोलते customs port. And business entity turnover does not exceed 20 or 10 lakhs. ये तो हमें हमेशा आ रहा. Where consideration is up to 5,000 exempt, more than 5,000 taxable. Consideration up to 5,000 exempt रहता, more than 5,000 taxable रहता. But I doubt he will ask question on this garment one, but if he asks, if you go through this properly, that would be more than sufficient. This covers 14 to 15 industries. Next, if I remember properly, I gave you few services to write and come. Let us go through that now. Second one I told you to write on page number 61. I hope I told you to write here in this page. I hope you have started writing. I am discussing that now. This page में लिखना को बोला था मैं. I remember. Start. Services by way of transfer of going concern as a whole or independent part thereof. बोले तो लिखो. Sale of business, sale of part of business. Sale of business. We already covered this. Whenever transfer of business takes place on a registration, the transferee has to obtain the new registration. because it's a PAN based registration. But here we're covering that sale of business, वो उस पे GST नहीं लगता, but the transferee has to apply for fresh registration. We already covered this for registration point. Now we are coming from GST point of view. Next, if I remember, it was 23. Services by way of giving on hire to a state transport undertaking a motor vehicle meant to carry more than 12 passengers. Now listen, इसका मतलब समझो. I have buses. I gave buses to TRCTC. They are running those buses for public. Public will pay amount to TSRTC. TSRTC will pay money to me because I have given the buses to them on hire. When public pays to TSRTC, it is exempt from GST because that's covered transportation of passengers by roadways by public transport. Now government clarified, when the amount is paid by TSRTC to the buses, I am the owner of the buses, on that also no GST provided. वो buses में minimum 12 passengers should sit, or the capacity should be more than 12 passengers. Provided the capacity of the bus should be more than 12, a bus can accommodate around 40 to 50 passengers is what I am assuming. So when the TSRTC pays amount to me for the use of the buses, on that amount also no GST. That's the meaning. 24. Services by way of access to a road or bridge on payment of toll charges. Day before yesterday, not before. Before lockdown, I went with my family to ORR, Outer Ring Road. And I was supposed to pay charges, toll charges. He charged 80 rupees. And when I asked, should I pay 80 plus GST or 80 plus 0? He said only 80 plus 0 because he said on the toll charges GST will not apply. That is what is given here. Toll charges. Pay GST nahi lagta. Next. Transmission distribution of electricity by electric transmission or distribution. This is to ensure electricity for all. If we get bill of 10, I hope you know recently some problem occurred that everyone's getting high electricity bills 3 months ka ek mahine mein on some average basis and all. If they my electricity bill is 10,000, if they add GST to the 10,000, my electricity bill increases and it will be a big burden to common people. So government says we will only take the electricity charges from you, we will not add GST to the electricity bill, because if we add GST to the bill, amount increases and it will be a burden to middle class, lower middle class families. That's the meaning of this. That's the meaning of this. To ensure electricity for all. Read these three once again. I hope you have written in your notebook. Please start reading from your notebook. Chalo. Please start reading from your notebook. ठीक है, चल नेक्स्ट 38. Services way of collection of contribution under, you have to remember this, Atal Pension Yojana. Atal bolto our ex Prime Minister from BJP, ex Prime Minister of India during 1999 to 2004, Mr. late Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. That is the Yojana is under his name in the memory of his Atal Pension Yojana. Next. Services by way of collection of contribution under any pension scheme of state government. Underline pension scheme, underline state government, and wahan underline Atal Pension Yojana. If the question gives in the exam Atal Pension Yojana exempt from GST. Second 13 years. Yeah, pension scheme of central government, those services are also exempt. Next. Services by of collecting, providing news by an independent journalist, Press Trust of India or United News of India. Now listen. I am a journalist. I am a journalist, but I do not work for any TV channel. I am a freelancer journalist. I will go collect, take interview of any celebrity. Then I'll get a call from Sakshi TV. I'll get a call from Enadu. I'll get a call from Ma TV. That interview I should give to that channel, for which I will charge money depending upon whomever I want to give the interview to, so that that interview can be telecast on that channel. That fellow will pay the amount to me. On that also no GST, because there I am called as independent journalist. I am not an employee of Ma TV. I am not an employee of Sakshi TV. I am not an employee of Enadu. I am a freelancer journalist. I can give to that interview to whomever channel I want. Those services provided by the independent journalist to these companies, on that also GST will not apply. Next, services provided by tour operator to a foreign tourist in relation to a tour conducted wholly outside India. Mark that as important. रीजन सर, मैं आपको आज ये चार्ट प्रिपेयर कर लो. आप ट्रैवल एजेंट है. कौन है सर आप? ट्रैवल एजेंट. नेचर ऑफ सर्विसेज, यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड टूर पैकेज 3 nights 4 days, 3 nights 4 days package. Okay. 2 tourist. Indian tourist, foreign tourist. Assuming travel agent is Mr. X, he gave 3 nights 4 days package to Raunak, who is from India, to Mark Zuckerberg, who is from foreign. Okay. Now, the package was for Jammu and Kashmir, that is India. वो पैकेज वॉज ऑस्ट्रेलिया पैकेज आउटसाइड इंडिया. वो पैकेज इंडिया का था, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया आउटसाइड इंडिया. और ही गेव टू मिस्टर मार्क जुकमबर्ग अगेन फॉर सेम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इंडिया और ऑस्ट्रेलिया outside India. Now government clarified, if a travel agent is providing the tour package services to an Indian tourist, although the person is from India and is traveling in India or traveling outside India, does not matter, it is a taxable service, on that GST will apply. But if he is providing to Mark Zuckerberg and Zuckerberg is coming to India for the stay 3 nights 4 days, then also it is taxable. But that Zuckerberg is from USA, and from USA he directly went to Australia for the 3 nights 4 days. Did he come to India? Did he visit India anytime? No sir. ये exempt रहता. Whatever you wrote, I have given in a chart format. Read that sentence once again now and then copy this somewhere. Quick. Read that sentence please and then copy this somewhere. Jaldi karo sir. Please copy this now. ठीक है, shall we continue? Super. Sure. Now listen. Next one. Services by an organizer to any person. Yeah. Services by an organizer to any person in respect of business exhibition held outside India. ब्रैकेट में लिखो, हाँ अब यहाँ लिखो, अब ये देखो, यू आर एन ऑर्गेनाइजर, आप ऑर्गेनाइजर है मिस्टर एक्स, मिस्टर एक्स, you are conducting an exhibition. Best example, Nampalli exhibition, which happens in Hyderabad in the month of January and February, which you go with your family, friends or special friends. I am conducting the Nampalli exhibition. Now government says, check whether that exhibition is happening in India or outside India. India, example Nampalli, Hyderabad. Outside India, USA. If that organizer is conducting business exhibition, कहाँ हो रहा? इंडिया में हो रहा, आउटसाइड, आउटसाइड इंडिया में हो रहा तो एग्जेम्प्ट, इंडिया में हो रहा तो टैक्सेबल. उसका मतलब क्या है सर? उसका मतलब ये है, I have an ice cream stall in that particular Nampalli. Which stall? Ice cream stall. I have to pay charges to Mr. X to put the stall. I have to pay charges to Mr. X to put the stall. Am I clear? Charges pay करना पड़ेगा ना सर? So listen. Organizer is Mr. X. I am the ice cream stall fellow. I have to pay charges to Mr. X for the stall. On that I will also have to pay GST because it's a taxable, because exhibition India में हो रहा. अगर exhibition outside India में हो रहा, then no tax, no exempt, so you have to pay only the charges plus no GST. Copy this also quick. I am giving everything in more easy and clarification language, sir. Please copy करो. ठीक है, चल. Next one which I told you to write was, I guess this till here I told you to write. Clear? Now there are few more services you will be covering from the notebook. Then I'll give you certain amendments also, and we'll also solve the problem so that the chapter can be completed in the current video. Chalo. Now listen. Now listen. Please come to, in your notebook somewhere you will have page 64 on the top. Page 64. I told you to write homework. No, I forgot that homework is already given in this list. Does not matter. Heading, not important from exam, other sector, general. लिखो ब्रैकेट में, the following services are exempt from GST. ठीक है, चलो. Now listen, check करो. First one is completed, strike off करो. You already wrote in the homework. Going concern. Second one, electricity bill लिख लिए थे, strike off. It means I didn't knew that the student had written this in the notes already, but I told you to write. It's a duplication हो गया ये, so strike off कर दो because already covered. जो कवर नहीं हुआ आई विल बी कवरिंग दैट. 1 स्ट्राइक ऑफ करो, 2 स्ट्राइक ऑफ करो, 6, 7, 8 स्ट्राइक ऑफ करो. Read what is given. We covered this just now. 6, 7, 8 read करो and check. This you should have this in your homework list also. Check करो एक बार. 1 strike off, 2 strike off, 6, 7, 8 strike off. अभी पढ़ाया था मैं ये सब. Next. Twelfth 1 strike off. 23, 24 strike off. 12th 1 strike off. 23, 24 strike off. Sure. The balance I'll cover now. These are other services which are still exempt. I told you there are a lot of services, can't help. Sure. Now listen. Starting with the fourth and fifth. लिख लो. One time study covered in final. एक बार पढ़ के छोड़ देना बस. CA फाइनल में कवर है वो. Next, service. These are important. Sir, 9th one important. Services by way of foreign diplomatic mission located in India. आप सुनो इसका मतलब. I'll give you example. Please note down the example you want. I want to go to USA. I want visa on my passport. US visa. Who will give? US embassy. That fellow is sitting in US embassy. The officer who is sitting in US embassy is called foreign diplomatic mission. He will give you what? Visa. The services provided by that fellow to you, that are exempt services, no GST on that. The services provided by that officer who will give a visa on your passport of USA so that you can travel to USA, those services provided by that officer to you, those are exempt from GST. Next, services provided to United Nations. This is to ensure that they are happy with that. You can't expect UN. We are providing services to UN. You can't. United Nations pay 100 per GST. They'll feel mad. What chiller country? They're asking tax on that. Or international organization like IMF, UNICEF are exempt from GST. If you're providing services to international organization to ensure that our credibility increases, our name recognition increases, on that service also no GST. 9 and 11 are similar. 9 में क्या हो रहा? That officer is providing you visa services. 11 में क्या हो रहा? You are providing services to officer. For example, I am a chartered accountant. That officer who gives the US visa, he wants to file his return of income. He comes to me and asks me to help him to file the return of income. I'll charge money. On that money, I will not charge GST because Atithi Devo Bhava. He is not from India. He is from USA, but he is working in India for USA to give visas to Indian public. So, if they provide services to others, exempt hai. If we provide services to them, वो भी exempt है. That is called 9 and 11. Called 9 and 11. Check करो please. Sir, lot of services. मैं पहले बोल दिया, हद से ज़्यादा services है sir. You have to remember. There is no other option you guys have. Marks होना तो remember करना ही पड़ता. Option नहीं है कुछ और. Check करो. चलो नेक्स्ट. The following services rendered by specified organization to its members are exempt. ESI services to members, EPF services to members, वो पूरे exempt है because those are related to employees. These acts you have in law in your paper group 1 law IPCC or intermediate, you will have this ESI Act, PF Act. Services provided by the organization to the members are exempt from GST. Next, provided by SEBI, exempt. By IRDA, provided by SEBI, exempt. Provided by IRDA also, insurance regulatory authority, insurance regulatory development authority, insurance regulatory development authority, IRDA. Services rendered by NPS to its members, new pension scheme or national. This is important, ये MCQ में पूछ सकता. Housing society up to 7,500 per month per member. I stay in a apartment. I have to pay maintenance on every month basis to the apartment, so that apartment can pay the common expenses like lift, electricity of the apartments, cleaning, security and all. Government clarified, if you are paying maintenance charges up to 7,500, you need not pay GST. If you are paying maintenance charges more than 7,500, you have to pay 7,500 plus, I'm paying 8,000, you have to pay 8,000 plus GST. This is important. 17th important mark karo sir, very important. 17th को important mark karo. 7,500 per month per member. So if my friend's apartment में maintenance is 9,000, they'll collect 9,000 plus GST. My apartment में 4,000, 4,000 plus 0. My relative apartment 8,000, 8,000 plus GST. One more relative 3,000, 3,000 plus 0. Simple. If it exceeds 7,500, it should be with GST. Less than that, it should be without GST. Very important, sir. Sure. Next, services provided by unincorporated body or non-profit entities. This is your Section 8 Companies of Companies Act 2013. I don't know whether you have in your syllabus or not. Section 8 Companies of Companies Act 2013. Non-profit services provided by them, those are also exempt because they are non-profit organizations. Next, services related to transfer of cargo to Nepal or Bhutan. My truck is going from India to Nepal or India to Bhutan. Those services of the truck is also exempt because we want to maintain cordial relation with Nepal and Bhutan. But Nepal nowadays is doing overaction in supporting China in that Ladakh issue. I don't know what will happen, but whatever it is, we want to maintain relationship with our cross-border countries with whom we share the same borders, Nepal and Bhutan. And I don't know how many of you know, in order to go to Nepal, passport is required, visa is not required. Without visa also, you can directly go to Nepal. Visa nahi hona Nepal ko. Next, services recognized by Biotechnology Industry Research Assistant Council. This is to promote scientific research. लिख लो ब्रैकेट में. सर ये सब बाय हार्ट नको करो. Take 2 days time and just go through all the services from industry sector 1 industry 1 till now. एक बार 2 दिन लगते, दिमाग में बैठ जाता. Then do the problems, then it becomes easy. Else first time it will be difficult, not for you, for anyone. For me also it was difficult initially, but you 3-4 बार if you keep on studying, it will be stored in your memory card. Do not by heart, you have to just store in your memory card, in your brains. This is to promote scientific research. Next, 21. Services in relation to lease of the, underline the word lease, 30 years or more. That's it. If you have for development of infrastructure, whether lease is paid in lump sum or installments, this is called joint developer agreement. Final में आता ये भी. in tax. जॉइंट डेवलपर अग्रीमेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, ये फाइनल सी फाइनल टैक्स में आता, 45(5)(a) सेक्शन में आता. ओके, नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट पेज का भी पढ़ लेना. दिस कंप्लीट्स other services. You wrote some as homework and some which you did not write are covered by me in this heading. Which is already wrote as homework, that is striked off, so that I don't want duplication of work. Okay, sure. Now let us do a few problems first, complete the chapter, then we'll go to the amendments on exemptions. Page number 87. Page number 87, we are going from backwards. 22 हो गया, 21 आई गेस 21 में 21 नहीं हुआ. लिसन, डिस्क 3 marks November 2018 old syllabus. 3 marks November 2018 old syllabus, page 87. Page 87. Decide with reasons whether the following indemnities are exempt or not. Fast Tunes, a goods transport agency. Underline goods transport agency. So this comes under which sector? आपको अभी बता देता हूँ so that you can relate right now only. It comes under fourth industry. Fourth industry check करो. That is this, transportation of goods services. हाँ. By transporting relief materials meant for victims of Kerala floods being natural disaster by road. Come to roadways. Come to roadways. And here, यहाँ देखो, if the goods transport, GTA transport following goods is exempt from GST, उसमें first is only relief material. Relief material, यहाँ पे relief material बोल के दिया, so this is exempt. Each and every word I am by breaking into charts. ऐसा ये चार्ट, फिर यहाँ जाना, यहाँ जाना, यहाँ जाना, वहाँ जाना, and I am linking the answer. Next, कियान एंटरप्राइजेस इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर, वो एग्जीबिशन याद है, नामपल्ली में है तो टैक्सेबल, आउटसाइड इंडिया है तो एग्जेम्प्ट. प्रोवाइडेड सर्विसेज टू ब्रीथिंग हॉल बाय वे ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एग्जीबिशन एट न्यू दिल्ली. न्यू दिल्ली कहाँ आता? इंडिया में आता. सो दीज आर टैक्सेबल. अगर आउटसाइड इंडिया रहता था तो एग्जेम्प्ट रहता था, इंडिया में है तो टैक्सेबल. सो आंसर इज टैक्सेबल. चेक करो, विल नॉट बी एग्जेम्प्ट फ्रॉम जीएसटी, दैट इज टैक्सेबल. Again I am repeating, I am not going through the answer word by word, that is your headache. My job is to discuss and check whether the point is covered in our notes or not. Answer is given, आप पढ़ लेना. You are big enough to read 3 lines of the answer. You are not that small kids and all. My job is to cover each and every problem which was asked in CA examination for your syllabus. ठीक है, this was question number 21. 20 strike off करो बिकॉज ये आउटडेटेड क्वेश्चन है. ट्वेंटी इज एन आउटडेटेड क्वेश्चन, प्लीज स्ट्राइक ऑफ. कम टू 19. हाउ मेनी बिट्स? 3 बिट्स. अमर ज्योति चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट रजिस्टर्ड अंडर दिस एंड दिस, अंडरलाइन चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट एंड राइट सेक्टर नंबर 11th industry में I covered this. Underline rent of a community hall, Kalyan Mandapam, underline rent is 9,500. यहाँ देखो, if you come to this chart, it is renting of community halls, rent per day up to 10, less than 10,000 exempt, more than 10,000 greater than taxable. Question में दिया 9,500. You fall under this category. What the answer is? Exempt. Answer has to be exempt. Are exempted wholly from GST. Third bit. XYZ Limited has given hired 7 trucks to Jaggi Transport, a goods transport agency, for transporting of goods in Central and West Delhi. The hiring charges was 6,200 per truck. Just now I told you, I gave my buses to TSRTC. TSRTC is using for public. Public is paying to TSRTC, no GST. TSRTC is paying to me, no GST, provided the seating capacity of my vehicle is 12 passengers or more. That is given. This is also exempt. Exempt. अभी पढ़े थे, होमवर्क में भी लिखे थे ये. Speed post services by Department of Post to Union Territory of Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is state government or union territory. Provided by one government to another government is exempt. We already covered. Provided by one government. If the speed post is provided to public, it is taxable. But provided by one government to another government is exempt. Definitely exempt. Chalo. 18. Kapucha. Page 85. Kapucha. May 2018 में पूछा. Okay. Next video will be on value of supply. Every attempt 8 marks will be asked. I'll be starting the completing the lecture in that same video because it's a very small topic, only one section. We'll do around 8 to 9 problems also on value of supply. Very, very, very important chapter for your syllabus. That's the next topic. Okay. Examine whether GST is exempt in the following cases. Teja and Co, a tour operator, provides services to foreign tourists for tour conducted to Jammu and Kashmir, receives a sum of 3 lakhs. यहाँ देखो रे, यहाँ आता वो. It's a travel agent, it's a tour package, it's a foreign tourist. बट द पैकेज कहाँ का है? इंडिया का है. तो इंडिया का है तो क्या होता? टैक्सेबल होता. अंडरलाइन एंड राइट, टैक्सेबल. व्हाट इफ द क्वेश्चन गिव्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, यूके, स्विट्जरलैंड? देन एग्जेम्प्ट बिकॉज इट्स अ फॉरेन टूरिस्ट आउटसाइड इंडिया. नेक्स्ट, मिस्टर पूर्वा एक्ट्स एज अ टीम मैनेजर. पूर्वा एज अ टीम मैनेजर. ओके, what is a service provider? A recognized sports body for a tennis tournament organized by multi-brand retail company, MBRC, multi-brand retail company. Remuneration 2 lakhs. Now listen now. अब सुनो, इतना easy नहीं है, तो पागल नहीं. He gave you उल्टा point. सुनो, this industry number 6. This comes under industry number 6. So now, services provided by individual as a team manager is exempt, but if the match is conducted by recognized sports body, then only exempt. BCCI. यहाँ मैच कौन कंडक्ट कर रहा सर? कंडक्ट कौन कर रहा? some company is conducting, for example Zomato, Amazon, Zomato, Swiggy, all these online companies have a cricket tournament. I is a cricket tournament. अब सुनो, लॉजिक समझाता हूँ, सुनो. I am Ravi Shastri, team manager of Indian cricket team. Clear? Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, Flipkart, all decide they will have a cricket tournament. Employees will pay on behalf of the company. Amazon has appointed Ravi Shastri as their team manager or coach. Clear? Who is the service provider? Ravi Shastri. Recipient, Amazon. Is Amazon a recognized sports body? No. BCCI is a recognized sports body, but not Amazon. So this is called non-recognized sports body. ये service are taxable होता. But when Ravi Shastri is providing to BCCI, then that is exempt. Because BCCI is recognized, but यहाँ Ravi Shastri BCCI को नहीं provide कर रहा. किसको दे रहा? Amazon, Flipkart को दे रहा for the cricket tournament. That's how it's confusing point. Read once again and write the answer. This is the answer. ठीक है, चलो 17 is done, 16 is done, 15 is done, sorry 16, 14 is done. Come to 13. This is related to industry number. Fifth industry. So pause the video, take 2 minutes to read the fifth industry, that is entertainment sector, and then we'll start doing the problem. This is related to fifth industry, entertainment sector. मैं वापस बोल रहा हूँ, read, pause the video, read this particular chart on entertainment sector, and then we'll start. Pause the video. Chalo. Now I hope you have read. Now let us start. Mr. Nawab, a performing artist, provide the following information. Performing classical dance, classical dance, classical dance. It should be folk or classical in the form of dance, music, theatre, not as a brand ambassador word नहीं दिया, तो it's not a brand ambassador, exempt. Television serial, taxable. Service as brand ambassador, taxable irrespective of the fact whether amount exceeds 1,50,000 or not. Coaching in recreational activities related to arts, that is also exempt. Activity in sculpture making, taxable, not given in the list. List में नहीं है तो taxable. Performing western dance, taxable. It should be only classical dance. Classical dance exempt. क्लासिकल या फोक रहना, वेस्टर्न नहीं रहना, तो विच आर टैक्सेबल? 1 2 3 and 4. Take the total now. 2,80,000, 12 lakhs, 3,10,000, 90,000. Underline value of taxable supply 18,80,000. उस पे GST will be 18%. Into 18% करो, 338 400. That's the answer. जीएसटी पेएबल का आंसर है वो. Please note down. ठीक है. दिस वॉज क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. 12 हो गया, 11 हो गया, 10 was for review, 9 was done, 8 is also done, 7. Now listen. Compute the value of taxable supply. This also will come under which industry अभी बोल देता हूँ so that you don't get confused. This is your fourth industry में आता. Transportation of goods. Transportation of goods. Engage in business of transportation of goods. Give reasons and all. GST rate is 5%. Total freight charges 13.5. Sir, सुनो sir. Total ante freight. These three are already included in this particular amount. Total freight charges received. ये तीनों included है in this. In this. For example, एक बात समझो आप. Before I start, example देता हूँ समझो. I provided team manager coach to BCCI 5 lakhs, team manager to Amazon 7 lakhs. I know this is exempt, I know this is taxable. Clear? Total 12 lakhs. Question में क्या देता अब उन? He will give Ravi Shastri received 12 lakhs from BCCI 5, from Amazon 7. What is taxable value of supply? 5 plus 7 will be 5, will be 7 only, because only 7 is taxable. Value of supply. Now what we should do? We will take what is total received. Total कितना receive हुआ? 12. Less what are exempt I will deduct, because this 12 includes exempt services also, which is how much is exempt? 5. Now this 7 will be called value of supply. So ऐसा भी दे सकता problem में. Receive 12, 5 from BCCI 7. I'll take 12 as the base and deduct all the exempt services. I'll get the taxable value of service. Copy this somewhere. Another way of giving the same problem. ऐसा भी दे सकता प्रॉब्लम में. This is scenario 1. This is scenario 2. ठीक है, चलो नाउ total freight charges 13.5. freight charges for transportation of fruits exempt है ये. fees collected for less than 750 per consignment, this also we covered, exempt है ये. less than 1500 for total consignment, this also exempt. You can check your fourth industry, you will find all these values, all these three under exemption. So answer क्या आता, value of supply is equals to 13,50,000 minus 125 minus 75 minus 1,50,000, 2 लाख, 3.5 लाख, 10 lakhs is the answer. 10 lakhs is the answer. And GST rate is 5%. So GST will be 10 lakhs into 5%, 50,000. Make a note. Because all three are exempt, you can refer fourth industry, you will find everything in your notes. ठीक है, guys, done. Sure. Fifth one is done. Fourth one is done. Third one is CF final question. నాకు జరగ नहीं है. Strike off, not relevant for your syllabus. 2 is review. This is review. And 1 is already done. Okay. अब आपका होमवर्क क्या है सुन लो, which you have to go through as MCQs. You have to do these MCQs, please. That is on page 89. You have 5 MCQs for your practice. Page 93. You have 11 MCQs for practice. This is for total 16 MCQs you have to do. This is for practice. This is for your practice. Please make a note. Now take a new page and write amendments for November 2020 examinations or subsequent attempts on exemptions. Write a new book of new page are important. Amendments पक्का पूछता हूँ exam में, I know that. So make a note. I'm downloading. Give me 1 minute. I'm downloading the amendments. Shit. Once again, sir, I guess there was some issue. I don't know where did we stop. I'll repeat once again. These MCQs are for practice. These MCQs are for practice, and these are the amendments in November 2020 or subsequent attempt on exemptions. The following service exam you have to definitely go through 1 day before exam. Okay, start copying this. I'll give you time. General insurance service under Bangla Sashya Bima scheme. You have to underline this. Bangla Sashya Bima scheme. Number 2. Life insurance services provided by Central Armed Forces Group Insurance Fund to their members. Copy these two first. Copy these two first. Copy this first. These MCQs are for your practice, sir. You will have in the module. You copy karo. Sure. ठीक है. Next. This is a third one, sir. Just now we covered in agricultural sector, service of storage or warehousing for rice are exempt. You can check your agricultural sector industry number, agricultural sector. There one tree will be on warehousing, storage, packing, warehousing of rice. Now these are the products are also included in the warehousing. It can be cereals, pulses, fruits, nuts, vegetables, fiber, chendu leaves, tea, coffee, spices, sugar cane, tobacco, copra. Next, पहले सुन लो then. Just now we covered. I give my buses to TSRTC. TSRTC will take money for public. Money paid by public to on that no GST. And when TSRTC paid to me, no GST provided. Seating capacity more than 12 passengers. Provided that buses are given by me to state government. Now they have included local authority also in the list. Bus hire services providing a motor vehicle, seating capacity more than 12 passengers to local authority. Before it was only state government, now they have also included local authority. But that buses should run on electronically operated vehicle bolte through batteries, not through petrol or diesel. Chalo, copy this. Start copying, please. E. It has been clarified that it has been clarified that maritime training institutes are educational institutions under GST and courses conducted by them including training courses are exempt from GST. All these 5 are amendments, please. And I'll have a separate video on other amendments on GST also for IP syllabus. Sure. And in a separate video I'll also be taking up other amendments to GST. This completes exemption chapter for your syllabus. Next chapter will start with value of supply. Do not miss the chapter. Definitely 8 marks will be asked from the chapter. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you so much.